Malka, it's me. Hear me, please. Come back to me, please.
Rage doesn't burn in my heart anymore. I heard his voice. And knowing he never betrayed me.
Now, you have to pay the promised price and remain in the nothingness forever.
No, I'm alive, and I will live on forever. Because now my heart is full of something that will never die. I heard the darkness. I heard the music. It filled me. Your music is the real magic.
The only magic humans have is love.